Your body is a mirror of your inner thoughts and your beliefs. Every cell within your body is affected by every single thought you think and every word you speak. What you keep playing in your mind creates all your experiences. So knowing this, you choose to neutralize all thoughts that are creating any negative conditions in your life. You erase all resentment and blame. You erase all fears and worries. You eliminate all guilt and shame. Allow your subconscious mind to release any and all negative beliefs and thought patterns that are limiting or harming you in any way. They leave you now. It doesn't matter if you know exactly what they are or not. It doesn't matter how long these negative beliefs have been there. Now, in this moment, they are neutralized and released. They are erased, eliminated, totally wiped out. You let go of every heavy emotion, and so you're free. You are the real power in your world, because you are the only thinker in your mind. And now you are free to accept and approve of yourself totally and completely. You are worthy of your own self-love and your own self-acceptance. It is most natural and right. Now, bring your awareness to your heart. Feel the warmth there. There is so much love in your heart. It's bigger, stronger, more powerful than any old hurts and burdens. It is enough to heal you completely. So let us use this love to wipe out any old resentment, hurt, and bitterness that may be lingering in you. Let this love begin to change the way you think and speak about yourself. You are so valuable and special. You truly matter. You have something meaningful to share with the world. It isn't meant to be kept just to yourself. Allow this love to flow throughout your body. It's bathing and soaking every cell, soothing and healing them all. Let this love wash through you like cool, clear water, cleansing everything it touches, gently washing away all unkind and hurtful thoughts. This love from your heart brings joy to every part of your body, so that all cells are joyful and relaxed, working with perfect intelligence to keep you healthy. Whatever pain or discomfort still lingers in your body, allow the warmth of this love to surround it and dissolve it. Your body is free to heal itself. Your body knows how to heal itself. Your only work is to love it and to be kind to yourself. You choose to get well because you deserve to get well. And now you allow yourself to be well. You are going to a deeper level now, where you access abilities you were not aware of before. Not just to release disease, but to truly heal on every level. You accept every experience you ever had. You accept every part of yourself with love and kindness. And from this place, you choose to see clearly with the eyes of love. All is well. You have already begun the healing process. It is your birthright to have total, vibrant health. It is your birthright to have a healthy, beautiful, strong body. All your senses, systems, and organs, every muscle, every joint, everything works in perfect harmony, exactly as nature intended. There is an intelligence within you that knows exactly what to do. And so each day, your body regenerates and restores its natural, vibrant health. Your body is the most powerful, self-healing, wellness-making machine. It's programmed to create perfect health and wellness for you each and every day. You feel good in your body. You love your body. You love and appreciate every part of your amazing body. It's been serving you so well, and you expect your body to thrive always.